Welcome to Study Loop.
For this problem, on the topic of waves and sound, we are told that tsunamis are fast-moving waves that are often generated by earthquakes underwater. We are given an example of a tsunami, and we are told its wavelength and the distance it travels in a given time. So if we want to find the speed of the wave, we know that this speed is simply the total distance covered x in the time it takes to cover that distance t. So x over t, where the distance covered is 3,700 times 10 to the power 3 meters, or 3,700 kilometers. And it covers this distance in a time of 5.3 hours. So we need to convert the hours into seconds to keep our values in SI units. So we multiply by the factor 1 hour divided by 3,600 seconds. So 1 hour contains 3,600 seconds, which gives us the speed of the tsunami wave to be 190 meters per second. So now we have the speed of the wave. The frequency of this wave, f, is equal to the speed of the wave divided by its wavelength. And this is the speed 190 meters per second over the given wavelength, 750 kilometers, or 750 times 10 to the power 3 meters, which gives us the frequency of the tsunami wave to be 2.5 times 10 to the minus 4 hertz. So that's the frequency of this wave. Finally, we want to calculate the period of this wave, and we know the period is simply the reciprocal of the frequency. So the period t is 1 over f, which is 1 over 2.5 times 10 to the minus 4 hertz, which gives us the period of this wave to be 4 times 10 to the power 3 seconds.